Hello everyone, I'm going to bake a cake and I was thinking maybe you would like to see what I'm making. And if you are thinking to get ingredients, please check information down below under the YouTube video. Okay, so let's start. First, what we're going to do, we're going to mix dry ingredients. It's going to be cool if you have a plain flour. Unfortunately, I don't have it in my kitchen, so let's see if I can do it with this. I'm going to put 4.5 cups into this bowl. Next ingredients is sugar, but I have that much. I don't really use sugar. I have half of the cup and I'm going to leave it that way. Let's see how it goes. Next stage is 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Now 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. 3 spoons of cocoa powder. And that could be it, but I think I have something else in the kitchen as you would normally have sometimes. Therefore, you can leave it as it is, or I'm tempted to put some nuts. Here are nuts, and that my mom brought it over from her garden, and I think I'm going to blend it and add it over here. Not too much, just a bit. I'm not really a cook, so I'm going to use this to mix it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's how much I have. I'm going to take just bigger pieces that didn't blend. I think that's all of my dry ingredients, and I'm going to mix it with a spoon. Once we have everything mixed together, the dry elements, we're going to add wet ones. First one I'm going to add is a jam, and we have this one in our fridge, Wexford raspberry jam, so very local. You can see homemade in Wexford, Ireland, because I live in Ireland, but any jam will do. And you've noticed that I didn't put so much of the sugar inside, so the thing I normally would put 3 spoons, but you know, let's go 5. Here it is. So we have 5. The next thing, I'm going to add some oil, and it'll be coconut oil. As you can see, I heated up a bit. How did I do it? I put the water into a pot to make it hot and just put the jar in so it heats up a bit, but not boil it or anything like that. We need 4.5 spoons of oil. We have oil inside here, and now I'm going to add yogurt. This one that I really like is Glenillan Farm natural yogurt, and we have some seeds over here. Well, that'd be fine. And as you can see, this is also a local product from Cork, Ireland, so I would recommend you to look around and see what you can find around your area. So anyway, this is 500 grams, and that all will go inside here, and we'll mix it together. Here it is. As you can see, it's a little bit dry, so I'm going to add some milk. Not too much, and the one I'm using is organic for us. I mixed everything, and just to make sure that you don't have a flour underneath, and see how thick it is. Now I'm going to prepare form. You can do it whatever way you want to. I'm just going to put a paper on the top. As you can see, I have a paper, it kind of lifts up anyway, and at this point you can definitely turn on your oven to 180 Celsius. Here it is, and we're ready to put into the oven. And it's in. And we're setting it up to 50 minutes. Now let me show you the thing that no one else is showing. So basically this is what I have to clean. A bowl, spoons, cup, I use this. I run out of sugar, so I clean that thing. And the plastic recycling container from the yogurt. Sugar, you need oil, which I use coconut oil, and cocoa powder. I'll be adding milk, but first I want to make those 3 to see what kind of texture I'm going to get. Meanwhile, and it's dry. It's done. Before we put chocolate, we have to make sure it's cool.